Hi everyone, Leanne here from Jaded Blossom, and I have another fun taco themed, or I guess hot pepper themed card to share with you today. Hey, so I'm using the Booth Taco Add Ons, Stylized Rectangle dies, and our Stylized Scallop Rectangle dies, Cinco de Gnomo stamp set, and the Cinco de Gnomo outline dies. And I'm using Sunny Studios, Polka Dot Parade, Dots and Stripes, and Classic Gingham. And there we go. And I'm using Food Truck Fest from Reminisce. So first I'm starting out with a piece of Pure Poppy paper tray cardstock, 4.25 by 11, scored at 5.5 inches using my Martha Stewart scoreboard and my Teflon bone folder. There we go. And I went ahead and I cut out that pattern actually out of the front page from that Reminisce Food Truck Fest. You know, it has a paper and it says whatever's in the pack. I literally cut that out. See, there's like there's little numbers on it. So, you know, I use that kind of paper there. And then that little chili pepper strip I put together during the release and review for the April 2023 early in the month release. And there we go. And I'm just gluing together the peppers with some art glitter glue. And I'll add on the little stem. Super cute stuff. You see the Muy Caliente sentiment that was stamped onto paper tray ink white cardstock with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink and cut out with the outline dies. And there we go. So first of all, I'm going to add a piece of Neenah Solar White 80-pound cardstock, 4 by 5.25 to the inside with some ATG tape. And there you have that right there. And then I'm going to add a strip of this cheapo paper that I got on Amazon, and it's like taco scrapbooking paper. I don't recommend it. It's very thin, but it has little tacos on it, and I thought, I'll put it on the inside of a card. There we go. It's almost like wrapping paper, not great quality at all, but that's what you get. Okay, and I'm going to round the upper left-hand corner with the We Are Memory Keepers half-inch corner chomper. Now I'm going to add on this little stylized rectangle. The non-stitched one is 2 3/4 by 3 7/8. There we go. And then I actually pulled in our stitched and scalloped circle dies that I forgot to mention at 1.5 inches and 2-inch diameter. There we have that. And I'm just going to add in the little sentiment with some art glitter glue. I'll pop that on the bottom of the card and sort of cover up those numbers, right? There we go. So Muy Caliente. Kind of cute stuff with little tacos on there. Now I'm going to glue on this little banner from the Build-A-Booth Taco Add Ons. And remember, you can watch me put that together on the release and review video for April 2023. There we go. For Jaded Blossom, obviously. There you go. I'm just making sure it's stuck down well. And now I will add on this cute little circle. And I'm going to pop those 2 little peppers in the middle of that circle. There we go. So first I'm going to pop up that circle with some Stampin' Up! Dimensionals. There you go. And I'll pull off the release paper, and then I'll pop those on the front of the card using my reverse tweezers just so I can line things up. There we go. Then I'm going to use the same Stampin' Up! Dimensionals to pop up these little tiny peppers, but I'll use the big ones and the little ones, right? Pull off the release paper, and then I'm going to line them up kind of like a yin and yang, right? There we go. Kind of cute, right? And now on the inside, I'm going to stamp a sentiment using my Misty and another sentiment from that same Cinco de Gnomo stamp set. And I'll say, wishing you the spiciest birthday. And I'll stamp that with VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink. And the nice thing about a MISTI is you can stamp something, you know, multiple times to make sure you get a great, you know, image. There we go, just so the stamping is nice and clear. You don't want to press too hard because you don't want to squash the, you know, the font. But there you go, kind of cute, right? Okay, so now I've decided to add a tiny strip of paper from Sunny Studios. That's from the dot stripes, and I'm using the stripe side, and it's just like 1/4 inch. And I'm just using score tape to attach that. Here we go. And then I'll trim off the overhang with a pair of scissors. And there you go with that one. And kind of fun, right? So now I am using some art glitter glue, and I'm going to pop on some Studio Katia 3mm Google Eyes onto these little peppers, because why not, right? It's kind of fun. Using that embellishment wand to pick them up, which is always fun, right? There we go. Cute stuff. And then I'm going to pull out some Doodlebug sprinkles. These are the candy hearts, and I'm just going to use the green ones. Shockingly enough, a lot of Doodlebug's shape sprinkles match Sunny Studios paper. I don't know why that is, but they do. So it's kind of like a happy accident. So there we go. And I'm just popping on a few of these little green hearts just for fun. And that way you've got a little bit of shine and embellishment. So thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to hop on over to the Jaded Blossom blog. Be inspired, the Jaded Blossom store, to get your hands on some amazing products. And thank you, as always, for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And hopefully we will see you soon in the next one. Bye, everyone.